Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if the perimeter of a semicircular protractor is 92 cm, what is the radius of the protractor in centimeter? Let the radius of the protractor be r centimeter. Here we have given perimeter is 92 centimeter. As perimeter of the protractor is given by 1/2 2 pi r plus 2r, and it is 92. So it will be pi r plus 2r equals to 92. Pi is 22/7 into r plus 2r equals to 92. So after solving this, we will get 20 multiplied throughout by 7, we get 22r plus 14r, that is 36r equals to 92 into 7. Now divide by 36 both the sides, we get r equals to 17.88 centimeter. Hence radius of the protractor is 17.88 centimeters.